Hi friends, as some of you will know, we completed our renovations about 3 months ago. However, when I spoke to a number of my neighbors, I heard a lot of misunderstandings, especially about delays, payment issues, and the role of their contractor stroke ID. So I hope this video can clear things up. So some misunderstandings. You don't have that much time. You must start looking for your contractor about 6 months before you get your keys. The process is very time consuming and rushing at the last minute is bad. You also need to think of the kind of furniture, lightings, kitchen and bathroom accessories you want to buy. Payment. This is important and goes hand in hand with the contract quotation from your ID/contractor. For us, upon getting the final quote, we put down 10%, followed by 40% with the delivery of the screeding cement, etc. Then midway we paid another 40% and finally 10% after everything was completed. There were target dates for how long each part of the renovations would take, and we communicated regularly with our contractor to check on progress. There was once a clear distinction between the two. The IDs did the complete designs and coordinated the work from start to finish, was the contractors concentrated on a particular area, example tiling work or carpentry. However, nowadays that line has been blurred. Our contractor, for example, provided us with drawings for our cabinets in the kitchen and bedroom. He also coordinated all the work involving the different subcontractors, carpenters, electricians, painters, etc. In the end, whether you choose an ID or contractor, you have to be comfortable with the person you're working with. It's your hard-earned money after all. Okay, so here we have an example of the kinds of drawings our contractor gave us. Here you can see the kitchen, two views of it. And then just here you will see the bedroom. So this is the kind of thing that our guy has given us. Okay friends, so as an example of coordination, we can take the kitchen as an example. First and foremost, the thing you need to do is to buy your refrigerator, you need to buy your hob, you need to get your hood, and you need to get your sink. And if your washing machine is part of the kitchen cabinet, then you've also got to provide those dimensions and as soon as possible. Any delay will mean a delay in the production of your kitchen cabinet. So the next thing that you want to do is to make sure of your gas supply. Assuming you're using gas and not the induction cookers. Induction, you don't have to worry about it. But say you use gas, you need to turn on your gas early. Currently, it's quite a long time, so it's best to get that one done early. And then your contractor will have to be involved because he will have to be on site to tell the guy where he's laying certain things and all that. So that part of coordination is necessary. So if you have any questions about this video, please put them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them as fast as I can. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and thank you for watching.